If you're using CapCut on desktop and your export keeps failing, your region can't access certain effects, or your connection slows down while editing, stop scrolling. The problem might not be CapCut, it might be your internet connection. And the solution, a free VPN that actually works without killing your speed? Today, I'm breaking down the best free VPN for CapCut desktop users. Whether you want smoother uploads, access to region-locked templates, safer connections, or just better editing experience overall. I've tested a bunch of options, and I'm only sharing the one that is fast, secure, and 100% beginner-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which free VPN is worth installing and which ones to avoid. Let's jump right into it. So first, let's go to the Microsoft Store and download it. Come to your taskbar and open your Microsoft Store. So I will open mine right here. Then after opening Microsoft Store, come to the search bar right here at the top. Then search for Hotspot VPN, and this is the VPN we will be using. So after searching for Hotspot VPN, you will have two options right here. So we are going to download the one on the left side, which is Hotspot VPN. So click on it to open it. Now, after opening it, click on the install button right here. Then wait for a while for the software to be downloaded and installed on your PC. And the duration will depend on your network speed. So after the software is installed, let me show you how to set it up. And if you want this VPN to work smoothly for you, follow the instruction carefully. After the app is opened, this is the first page you will see. So come and click on the OK button. Then, on the next page right here, come and click on Skip right at the upper left corner of the screen. Then you will be redirected to the next page, and this VPN offer premium subscription, but we are using the free version for now. So come and click on Proceed with Basic right here. So we will use the basic features, which are free and also works really good. And this pop-up will open, so just click on Decline Offer. Now this is the main page of Hotspot VPN software. And we have the Connect button right here in the center. Then at the bottom, you have your virtual location and data used also right here. So come and click on the virtual location button. And as you can see, there are a lot of locations here that you can use in the basic version of this VPN, so you can just go through and select the location you want. But for CapCut users, I will recommend you will use Singapore because that worked best for CapCut users. Now, after selecting your virtual location, come and click on the Connect button right here in the middle, then wait for a while for the VPN to be connected. And also, make sure your PC has been connected to the internet, else the VPN will not connect. And as you can see, after some few seconds, my VPN has been connected with no issues. So let's try and use it and see how it is. So I will open CapCut and start a new project. Now our new project page has opened. So let's go to Effects and download some of the effects. And as you can see, everything is working perfectly well with no issue. That wraps up today's breakdown of the best free VPN for CapCut desktop users. I hope this helped you find a more secure, stable, and efficient way to create your content. If you found this video useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials and tool recommendations. And if you have any questions or if there's a VPN you think I should review, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.